Hi everyone, welcome to Codebot. My name's Tom. Today we're going to be looking at this Nintendo 3DS, bought from eBay fairly recently. Not had a chance to look at it yet. I mean, it's a little crusty, a little bit scuffed, but for the most part, screens are in good nick. Things look alright. It was sold as spares and repairs with practically no detail beyond that, so let's see what's up with it and see if we can fix it. So I'll just turn this on. So I've got the blue light, I don't know if you can see it has come on. Don't seem to be getting anything on the screen. Oh no, there we go. Okay, it just took a while to turn on. So, the screen's on. That looks okay. There's nothing in the card slot. What have we got? Okay, not the D-pad, but the little analog stick seems to work. Does the D-pad work? Seems okay. Home button seems to work. A button's working okay. You won't be able to tell on the camera, but the 3D actually looks okay. Tell you what, it's just getting a little bit bright. I'm just going to pause and just close the blinds just to make it a bit easier for you guys to see. 1 second. Okay, hopefully that's made it a little bit easier to see what's going on. Although you will have to put with these bits of sun coming through the window on the blinds, but at least it's a bit easier to see. So you can see both screens are working there. Let's just zoom in a bit as well. There we go. Right, so we can get the health and safety. Can we jump back? We go back on this. Oh, press home to return to home. Home button seems okay. Did we get a stylus on this one? Where is the stylus? Do these even have a stylus? No. Okay, yeah, stylus is normally in the back here. But that's no worries. We can buy replacement ones of those. Oh, touchscreen though does seem to work. So I can press X to close. Closing software. I mean, this might be a really simple video. Maybe we don't have any issues. What I've got here is a Super Mario game. So we'll pop this in and see if it works. If it does, fantastic. I can't remember how much this was. I think it may have been about £30. And if that's true, bargain of the century. Okay, game's launching. Touch to start. Oh, touch the star, I see. I've never owned one of these, so I don't really know how they work. I'm sure I get sense for it pretty quick. Right, touch to start again. Virtue's Adventure, so let's do some adventure. Okay, we'll start a new file.
Dear Mario, please come to the castle. I've baked a cake for you. Yours truly, Princess Toadstool.
Yeah, that's nice of her. Cake and everything. The 3D effects seem to be working okay. Well, not the minute this is in 2D. Can I skip this? Start? Okay, this is either unskippable or one of these buttons doesn't work. Touch. Okay, let's go! Hello, I can't decide if this is not skippable or if I've got a broken button. I just want to play some games. Yoshi, yeah. Okay. Okay, we're in. We can jump, we can sprint. Okay, that's changed you. Yeah, so I think all the buttons are working. Is this just a fully working console? Awesome. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this away, play it for a little bit, see if there's any issues I can spot, detect, but yeah, potentially I've just got an absolute bargain, so I'll report back shortly. So, having just given that a go, played through to the first level, it works absolutely perfectly. So, I'm tempted to get myself another stylus. But I guess solder's broken, maybe it was just untested. It was definitely marked as spares or repairs though. But fantastic, I'm happy with that. And unfortunately for you guys, it's not going to be an awesome repair video, but well, thanks for watching.